Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a beautiful 20-page AI generated coloring book with a story and consistent character in just one click. Whether you are a parent, a teacher, a content creator, or just someone who loves coloring, this tool is for you. It's super fast, super smart, and super fun. Let me show you exactly how ColoringBookAI works. Go to coloringbook.ai, log in with your account, choose text to coloring book feature, enter a prompt like "a brave little cat travels the world to save animal friends." Just for example, select 20 pages, AI line art, and click generate. Boom! Your whole storybook is ready within seconds. You can now preview each page, edit individual images, download as PDF for printing or KDP upload. You can also color online, use it on iPad or PC, and create single pages or themed packs, and the price less than $0.1 per page. That's insanely affordable. Try it now. Click the link in the description to get started with Coloring Book AI. I've dropped my affiliate link below. If you like the tool, support the channel by using it. And that's it guys, thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one, and have a good day.